South Sudan oye. Jamhuri State oye. Bor County oye. Alfai Payam oye. Bor Action Concession oye. Boda oye. Since we have those who do not speak English, I will read my concession speech in English. Protocol remain observed. One day and I online, coordinate, name caller. Calling the IEC, team of my brother, Manyok Jok. With team of Boda Community, name caller. We are alone and engaged together, so many that. To my dear brothers and sisters, today, while I do not stand before you as a winner, I stand with my heart full of gratitude and pride for the Bor community. I am honored to have had the opportunity to serve and to contribute to the vision of Bor youth and our shared future. To my Victorian counterpart, Manyok Jok, I offer my heartfelt congratulations. This is not just your success, it is a victory for our community. I pledge my full support in your leadership, and I will continue to work alongside you for the betterment of Mr. Bor. For the betterment of our keeping economy and our cultural heritage back at our home. We are one, and the work ahead belongs to all of us. I thank my supporters who are dancing right now at APT. My family back in the house, my mentors and my friends who have stood by me with unwavering dedications. Together we have built something meaningful, Bor Action for Change. And our mission remains unchanged, to protect the future of all youth and strengthen our relationship with the government of South Sudan. Let us now move forward in unity. This is only the beginning. And I'm excited to continue serving our people and ensuring that Bor Community thrives together as one for action and services that will serve our people back home. Young man, sorry to English. Yen taban coach ekragan woman iran koya irane yi go bitam ko kay ni ya gabelan e challe ko wa en liwo campaign on my brother ko le nala ben kamananga concession speech kamananga victory speech yen ge pi ni man bor e pi mane wa le ka ever will improve with the services that I propose. When I see that I go and see the very good say you don't care record. Kayong ina musra. And I never know it. When the board can be our walk. Kupan board get some record. Democracy is to God. Abu pay koi kabai na, abu pay koi kongson, or kay talk again. We will challenge it. We will take the APT, remain strong, let's follow our vision, we improve, we will challenge it,